Good morning, students. So, in exercise 7.2, I discussed two questions in previous video. So, today I will discuss remaining. Okay. So, question number third, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus x log x dx. So, first we will arrange this. Okay. So here x take common in denominator. So when x take common, so x in bracket 1 plus log x. So now what we will suppose? So we will suppose log x t, because log x their differentiation 1 upon x dx. So that will manage in dt. Yes. So log x is equal to t. So 1 by x dx is equal to, so 1 by x dx in place of that dt. Now you differentiate directly this related x. So differentiate with respect to x 1 upon x. Okay, dx and t dt, like that. And how is coming this equal to that? In previous questions I told you. Okay. So 1 upon x dx, that dt upon 1 plus r, no problem, 1 plus log x to suppose. Okay. So 1 plus log x, because 1 their differentiation 0 and log x 1 upon x. So 1 upon x dx dt and 1 plus log x. So you know that 1 upon t whose function differentiation. So log t, so log mod t plus constant. Then putting t value, clear? So log, okay, mod 1 plus log x plus. Okay, this is the answer. In question number 4, so now I am telling you that what you have to suppose. Okay. So in question number 4, sin x, sin in bracket cos x dx. Okay. And by practice you will also know that how to suppose. Okay. So here what we will suppose? So sin cos x in bracket. So cos x their differentiation sin x. So here we will suppose cos x t. So cos x their differentiation minus sin x dx is equal to, minus is not given here. So minus transfer that side. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Put here. So sin x dx, in place of that we can write minus dt, and here sin cos x t. So minus that takes out. So sin t, okay, or minus also you can write. So this function there differentiation minus sin t. So cos t their differentiation minus sin t. So minus sin t their integration cos t and plus constant. Then putting t value from there, so cos and t cos x plus constant. Clear? Okay. So this will be answer. Then in remaining questions, I will tell you that what you have to suppose. Okay, and by supposing those, you can integrate easily. Okay. Question number 5, sin ax plus b cos ax. So here you can suppose AE sin AX plus BT or cos AX plus either sin or cos, because both sin their differentiation this and this their differentiation this. So AE you can suppose. So here you write sin AX plus B equal to okay. Question number 6. Under root AX plus B. So here you suppose AX plus B equal to 3. When differentiating, so constant and X differentiation 1. Okay. So and B constant, so their differentiation 0. So A dx is equal to dt. Clear? So dx is equal to dt by n here. So and this under root of p power 1 by 2 and in place of dx dt by so 1 upon a constant will be out p power 1 by 2. Then apply formula x power n dx. So x power n plus 1 upon this plus constant. Then putting p value and simplify that will be answer. X question number 7. X under root x plus 2 dx. Okay. So x plus 2 is equal to suppose. So dx is equal to dt. And now here x part will be p minus. So in place of x p minus 2 and under root x plus 2 in place of that p power 1 by 2 and dx dt. Then multiply by this is related exercise 7.1 now. So t power 1 by 2 multiply by this in these two terms and then separately integrate it. Okay. X under root 1 plus 2x. So here suppose 1 plus 2x square is equal to. So 1 there differentiation 0 is 4x dx is equal to 3. So x dx is equal to dt by 14. So x dx dt by 4 and in place of this p power 1 by 2 and dt by 4. So 1 by 4 constant will be out. So t power 1 by 2 apply time. Question number 9. Four x plus 2 under x square plus x plus 1 dx. So here from this 2 you can take common. So 2x plus 1 here and here. And here it is clear that if we suppose this t without so in their differentiation 2x plus 1 will come. Okay. So here you suppose x square plus x plus 1 is equal to. Okay. Then differentiate it. So 2x plus 1 and their differentiation is equal to. And 2 constant so will be out. So 2x plus 1 dx that will be dt and in place of this t power 1 by 2. So it is converted in previous question. Direct apply formula. in question number 10, 1 upon x minus root x dx. So root x take common. So 1 upon root x. So what will be remaining? Under root x minus 1. Then under root x minus 1 take common. Sorry, suppose t. So under root x then differentiation 1 by 2 x or minus 1 by 2 dx equal to dt or 1 upon 2 under root x dx and 2 transfer that step. So in place of 1 upon root x dx we can write 2 dt upon under root x from here t plus 1. What we see? Sorry. Under root x minus 1 directly suppose t. So 2 and 1 upon t differentiation of log t. So 2 log t plus constant. Then putting t value that will be answer. So 2 log under root x minus 1 plus clear. Question number 11. X upon under root x plus 4 dx. So x plus 4 suppose t. So dx equal to 18. And x from here we can write t minus 4 and dx dt and here t power 1 by 2. So by t power 1 by 2 divide separately. So we convert into t power 1 by 2 dt minus 4 t power minus 1 by 2. Then apply the answer and find your answer. Clear? So now question number 12. X power 3 minus 1 x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3 x power 5. Okay. So here x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3. So here this x power 5 you see here. You write like this. X power 5 we can write in x cube into x square. And after that x cube suppose t or this whole bracket you can suppose t. So x cube minus 1 suppose. Clear? So x cube their differentiation 3x square dx equal to 2. So x square dx equal to dt by. So here t power 1 by 3 x cube dx x cube t plus 1 and x square dx dt by then multiply by t power 1 by 3 in brackets and then integrate it. Clear? Then question number 13. X square upon 2 plus 3x cube whole to the power. So here also simple x cube suppose t. So x cube means their differentiation 3x square dx equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to dt by so dt by c. Okay, and directly you can suppose it. Okay, so 2 plus 3x you will suppose. Clear? So 2 there differentiation 0. So this will be 9x squared dx. So by 9. So here x squared dx dt by 9 and 2 plus 3x cube, that is 3. So 3 cube. So 1 by 9 t power minus 3. Apply formula and then integrate it. Okay. So remaining questions in that given 39 questions, and I hope that okay, if you will try, surely you will do questions. Okay, so some more questions from this exercise also I will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.